So a couple days ago, I got a hold of Gemfan. I've been wanting to test out some of their props for a while. I've been hearing a lot of good stuff about them. So I got a hold of them to see what they recommend I try for freestyle, and they told me to try out the WinDancer 5043s. I think that's right. Yeah, and the new Hurricane props. So anyway, those came in today. Got them in purple. That is a freaking sweet looking purple. It's like grape Jolly Ranchers. Anyway, the weather is garbage today, so probably only going to try out, we'll just try out the WinDancers today. Maybe I'll try the Hurricanes a different day. It's just too cold. It's like 9 degrees out, kind of windy. I don't want to be out there all day freezing my balls off. So let's get on out there. I'm going to rip a couple packs, see how I like them. I'm not going to do anything fancy. Just going to kind of put them through their paces and see how they handle. So I'm going to pack up my stuff and we'll head on out. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys what I'm flying these things on. I'm using my 5-inch Alien KISS V2 and KISS 32 amp ESCs on Rotor Riot Hype Train 2306 2450 KVs. I'm using China Hobby Line 100C 1300 mile LiPo. Oh, a little squirrely. It'll take a minute to get used to these. Definitely, I don't know. Definitely feels like more grippy than my HQ 5x4.3s. Still pretty smooth. Yep, they're smooth. I'm starting to like them. Yeah, I definitely feel like like they got a little more punch than my HQs do too. Not too much though, just enough for freestyle. I don't want them to be too crazy. At least for me anyway. And I want that efficiency too. I don't want my battery to drain too fast. Holy crap, my fingers are starting to go numb. They are getting tingly. I about lost it there. Damn, nice on that save. Pulled right out of there real quick. Alright, let's end it. My fingers are dead. My God, it's cold. Well, I gotta say, Gemfan, you have outdone yourself. Those WinDancers are amazing. I've been using it was the same tune I've been flying forever, and it flew pretty good. I mean, there's a couple adjustments I gotta make, but other than that, It's pretty freaking nice. So I think I'm switching over to Gemfan. And if you're looking for a good freestyle prop, I highly recommend the Gemfan WinDancer 5043s. I think they're like perfect. And I'm still have to test out the Hurricanes. I got those guys right here on my other Alien, ready to go. As soon as we get some nice weather, well, not nice, it's winter, but nicer weather, we're gonna go out and test those too. I'm looking forward to those, but yeah, I'm switching over everything to Gemfan, dude. I am sold. So that's about it till the next one. I'll see you guys soon. Maybe some tiny whooping live stream stuff coming. I don't know. It's gonna be like, well, they say -15 and for the next couple days. So I will definitely be stuck inside. So we'll see what happens. All right, see you guys later.